came down and all the overflow comes out of this pipe right here. And you know, worms get washed down in there, crickets, everything. And when it comes out of that tube, the bass and bluegill, they're all sitting there waiting to ambush it. There's one. There we go. Little guy. We're gonna lift him. That's a little male that just got done spawning, and he's off the nest. His kids are hatched. He's just a little small one. See if his big brother's in there. Yeah. You just want to cast it right into the current there and just work it out. And now, Tony, you use that worm because, you know, it's a natural thing that's going to be flowing through there. So just go right over me. We'll play a little hopscotch. But the rain quit about an hour ago. We're able to get out here, and it looks like it's going to clear up and be a real nice day. But yeah, crawdads will come in there and they'll eat that too, and the bass, they eat the crawfish. So we're going to target this for a second and see if we can pull another one out of here. Oh, I can see a bass right in front of it. You gotta love polarized glasses. Yeah. It's a fishing necessity. Well, he didn't even look at it. Yeah, these bass, they can just pick it up and spit it out before you even feel it. You know, you can never even know that they got it in their mouth. They'll just inhale it, and if they don't like it, they'll spit it out before you even feel it. That's mac.